Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. I'm excited to be here today sharing my FabFitFun Spring 2024 influencer box that was sent to me by FabFitFun to share with you. Now, if you've never heard of FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription box, which is awesome because you actually get larger items less frequently. Rather than a lot of little samples each month, you're getting full-size products and at a discount. Each box, based on your customizations, is up to a $350 value. So there are two different ways that you can join. I have two promo codes for you. Now, the best way to subscribe is with the annual subscription. And my code for that is Cindy Gift. I'll put these up on the screen for you. And you get a $200 gift with purchase if you pay annually, and it does reduce the cost of each box by about $5 to $10, depending on when you join. The other way you can sign up is the seasonal subscription promo, and that is just Cindy, okay? And you will be able to use that code and get a small discount based on your subscription. Now, the other cool thing about the annual subscription, one, remember your boxes cost less per box. You also get to customize all 6 items that are in your box. If you are a seasonal subscription holder, you can customize 4 out of the 6. So that's the other little perk with the annual subscription, okay? So I'm going to just tell you for each grouping of items what the choices were and then what I chose for my box, okay? Based on your lifestyle, the products you already enjoy using is going to determine, obviously, what you choose out of each one. Okay, so here is our box. Spring flings and very nice things. So spring, the winter box was my first one, and it was very like cozy things. Spring, we're getting into like active and being outside. So I'm excited to share with you what I chose. Now, there are 8 different items you can choose from for customization 1. And all members, whether you're annual or seasonal, can choose one of these 8 items. So there is a Swell salad bowl kit. It's a pretty pink. That's a $40 value. There is a Malibu Ocean Cleanser by Osea. That's a $48 value. There is a Nourishing Face Oil. That's a $58 value. There's a cute pickleball set. That was a $60 value. There is a top handle handbag in cream. That's a $60 value. There are a set of 4 little glasses, and I think they're glass, okay? And that's a $60 value. There's also an ink eyeliner. That is a $38 value. The item that I chose, mostly for the crafting, but they are super cute. Sweet Laurel Floral Dessert Plates, set of 4. This is a $48 value. It's pretty heavy. And it says they're ceramic, so I don't know. I may not end up crafting with these. The box is super cute. They're so pretty. Hold on. Wow, these are packed in here really nicely. Okay. Look at how pretty that is. So 2 of them look like this. These are glazed ceramic. These are super nice. We're going to use these for something really fun. I may even make a couple gifts with these. So there's 2 that look like that, and then 2 that are this pretty pink. How cute are those? So those are the Sweet Laurel dessert plates. I want to get these back in here with the cardboard in between. Oops, there we go. Get the cardboard in between. Okay, so that is the choice I made for customization 1. Those are really, really nice. 6-inch dessert plates. Okay. All right, customization 2 had 6 items to choose from. All members can choose from these categories. There is a Tula Skincare Intense Ultra Hydrating Day and Night Cream. Whew, that was a mouthful. That's a $58 value. I tended away from most of the skincare products, mostly because I already have something that I use. But if you're looking, this is a great way to try new products. Next was a Desert Island Duo. So it has like lip and like cheek. And there were 2 different colors that you could choose from. That is, it doesn't tell me what the dollar value is of that one. Okay. There was a water bottle that had a $45 value. A bucket hat that had a $129 value. And you could choose 2 sizes. There's a small, medium, or a large, extra large. There was a bath wrap, standard or plus size, is a $42 value. But what I chose was such a no-brainer, and it's way down here in the bottom because it's so big. I have to show you. This is an $80 value. It's by Beyond Yoga. It is a convertible gym bag, and I got black. They also had this like taupey color. But what's cool about this is you can carry it as a tote bag, or if you pull the handles through the other side, it's a backpack. How cool is that? It's got a separate zipper compartment on the bottom for your shoes or your dirty clothes. It's got a drawstring at the top, a snap. It's got a little zipper section inside, and it's got 2 elastic water bottle holders. I am so excited to use this bag. It's huge. $80 value. So that was my customization number 2. All right, customization number 3 had 7 items you could choose from. All members, whether you're annual or seasonal, can choose from these. There were some First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, a $38 value. There was Perma Precision Liquid Eyeliner by Pat McGrath Labs. That's a $35 value. There was a Safety Pin Style Paper Clip Bracelet by Adina Eden, a Pave Safety Pin Paper Clip Bracelet. And that's a $48 value. There's a magnesium spray. It doesn't say what it's for. I think it's a facial spray for $48. There was a leave-in conditioner for $46 and a storage basket, like a woven basket, for $42. What I chose out of those items was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Bundle. Let me find it. So I got the pomade in soft brown and this really cool brush. Let me show you. It's a dual-ended firm angled brush. So one side has the spoolie, and then this side has a really nice angled brush. So I'm excited to try that out. I do use brow products because my eyebrows are very, very light. And so I'm excited to try that out. And that is a $39 value. All right, customization number 4 had 7 items as well. And all members can choose from this category. There was a eye cream for $34. There was a journal of some sort with a 6-month membership to some workouts and things like that. Was $151 value. I have so many journals that I already work out at boot camp, so I passed on that. There is a Sun Ritual Pore Smoothing SPF 30. That's a $38 value. A strawberry perfume oil at $36. Some Robe Curls Heatless Curling Headband in the color cream for $27.99. And a jade comb, which was a $40 value. What I chose, I did mention I work out at boot camp. I did get some of this Muscle Pain Relief Recovery Gel. Very excited to try this out. Besides water, the next item in it is menthol. So it's probably a lot like, Icy Hot or something like that, but it's by a brand called African Botanics. So we'll see how that goes. Now we're moving on to customization 5. Remember, only annual members can choose in categories 5 and 6. If you're a seasonal member, they just choose for you based on what is available. Okay, so for annual members, there were 6 items to choose from. There was a PJ Salvage Spa headband and wristband set for $28, a Greek olive shower gel in olive blossom for $19. There was a volumizing mousse for $28. Nude Sticks hydropeptide lip butter in clear gloss for $20. And a skin barrier moisturizing cream at a $20 value as well. Now I'm a little embarrassed to show you what I picked because I don't think I read the description all the way. It's a Love Wellness pH balancing cleanser. I was thinking it was a facial cleanser, but it's actually for, you know, down there. But it's a non-irritating, fragrance-free, intimate cleanser. So I'm excited to try it out. It's fragrance-free. It says use daily in the shower or bath. So we're going to try this out. All right, and then the last category, customization 6, again, just for annual members to choose from, but everybody will get something from this. Let's see, there were 7 items. There is a dry shampoo, which I don't use. If I need to wash my hair, I just wash my hair. It's $28 value. Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Volumizing Mascara. I already use it. I already use it and buy it. So I didn't get one free because I wanted to try something else. But it's awesome. It's a $25 value. There was a hoop earring set for $42 value. A purifying body exfoliant by Grown Alchemist for $34 value. And a cleansing oil, which is for your skin, like your body, $17.99, and a Glow On body cream for $21.99. Now, what I chose from here is the new company Super Thick Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. I have thick, curly hair, so I'm excited to try this out. 2 full-size shampoo and conditioner, 8.45 fluid ounces each. So this is what I chose. Again, those were the items that I chose for my spring 2024 FabFitFun box. I'll also say that when you are a member, they do have other sales on things. Like maybe there's something else that this company sells. They offer it at a discount for you. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Check out my promo codes and my links if you're interested in signing up. I'll see you guys later. Take care.